This week's project is inspired by a pretty unfortunate incident that happened to me last week while I was on a train to Hamburg in the middle of the night. And I just realized that I forgot the key for my bike. And I need to, I'm traveling with the train, so I either have to hide it or I have to smuggle it in the train. I ended up taking my bike on the train, but as it turns out, you need a reservation to take your bike on the train, and all the bike slots were full, so I was hoping that maybe somebody wouldn't show up and I could still take that train to Hamburg. Okay guys, there's nobody here. Yes! That looks good, that looks good. So if this, oh no. We got kicked out. So now I either have to find a way, have to find a train that takes me home, or a train that has a free bike slot so I can go to Hamburg. Or I build a folding bike so something like that doesn't happen to me again, because I did some research, and as it turns out, you are allowed to take a bike with you on the train even without reservation, as long as it's foldable and the wheels are no bigger than 20 inch. I think I can do that. project because it was a great example that inspiration is absolutely everywhere and that making stuff can be very, very empowering. I solved my problem. Next time they will not kick me out of the train. Next time I have something that I made with my 2 hands and I solved this problem for myself. Anyway, I want to thank Lincoln Electric for the ongoing support and for sponsoring this video. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video.